Hello. Today I will show you how to replace and fix Corsair Void Elite gaming headphones broken 3.5mm jack, when the left or right side of the headphones is not working, or when the mic is not working. Easy way to repair a broken headset for a few dollars, without spending a lot of money buying a new headset pair. You'll need a soldering toolkit to do this job, but remember, if you're under 18, ask your grandmother for assistance. You will also need some heat shrink tubing. Finally, you will also need a new replacement 3.5mm jack, a 3-pole type if you don't need to working a microphone, or a 4-pole type jack, if you want the microphone to work too. I'll show you the hardest type of repair, with a 3.5mm 4-pole jack, where the headphones will work like new after this repair. Links to the necessary parts will be in the video description. The first task is to cut off the damaged jack a few centimeters from it. Then stretch the cable from the beginning of the headphone to the end of the cable. This way the extra rubber of cable will be loosened and the headphones will last longer. Then carefully remove the cable outer jacket with a sharp paper knife, but really carefully, so as not to damage the inner wires. The jacket rubber should be removed enough long, so that the wires are a few centimeters long. Separate the fabric threads from the wires and cut them, so that they do not disturb the soldering process. Then separate the gold color wires from the white color wire, twist all the gold wires together. Separate the remaining color wires, so that they are all separate. Then with a quick and small flame burn off the left small fabric fibers. If you did everything correctly, you also should have 5 wires. Put on the cable jack housing. Twist together the gold color wire with the gold with blue color wire. The twisted new wire will be the ground wire for the microphone and speakers. Tin all 4 wires, this will make soldering process easier. Then check the wires with a multimeter, to know which wire is for the left channel and which wire is for the right channel. To see a video on how to use the multimeter, click the link is in the description of this video. White color wire is mic plus, green color wire is left channel plus, and red wire is for right channel plus. Cut a small heat shrink tubing, and then stretch it bigger with the pliers. Put it on the cable. Use the pliers to spread the larger 3.5mm jack clamp, then tin all the 3.5mm jack contacts. Cut a shorter white mic wire, and solder it to the correct contact. Then press the cable with the jack clamp. Then tin the green colored wire and cut off the excess length, this green color wire is for the left channel. Then tin the red color wire, and cut off the excess length, this red color wire is for the right channel. Then do the same with the ground wire and solder it. Then turn on the tech screw stereo test video on your phone. Video link to this video is in the description. Put the headphones on your head and check that everything sounds as it should. Then open the built-in voice recorder on your phone and check that the microphone is also working and recording audio. Then apply some superglue to the cable and jack clamp, and heat shrink tubing over the top. This will give excellent cable retention and longer headphone life. Then take your grandfather's nail polish and apply it to the jack contacts. This will help avoid short circuits. Apply superglue over the contacts and to the heat shrink tubing. Then screw the jack housing on, tighten it securely. Basically, the headset is fixed and you can resume gaming sessions, but while you're in the tech screw channel. So I'm going to show you how to make a headset look like a pro. Cut off a 5mm diameter heat shrink tubing that is slightly longer than the 3.5mm jack housing itself. Then use the pliers to stretch the heat shrink tubing wider to fit on top of the jack, and then attach the heat shrink tubing. As you can see, now the jack is much nicer. And it gives an extra cable tightening and will make the headphones last longer. I hope you found this video useful. I'd be glad if you hit those like and subscribe buttons for this video, so I can meet you in other good headphone repair videos. But now back to gaming.